This is the AI News Flash for May 14, 4 p.m. UTC. First up, Cisco Systems reported Q3 revenue of $15.84 billion, up 12% year over year, sending shares surging 15% after hours. AI infrastructure orders from hyperscalers reached $5.3 billion year to date, prompting Cisco to raise full-year AI orders, guidance from $5 billion to $9 billion, and AI revenue from $3 billion to $4 billion. At the same time, CEO Chuck Robbins announced layoffs of under 4,000 employees, less than 5% of workforce, starting May 14. Robbins declared the industry is entering a networking supercycle driven by AI data center traffic explosion, validating Cisco's position as a key AI infrastructure beneficiary. Next, Anthropic and the Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation officially announced a $200 million four-year strategic partnership to use AI to close health and education gaps. The package combines grants, cloud usage credits, and technical support, targeting 4.6 billion people in low- and middle-income countries who lack access to essential health services to accelerate vaccine and treatment development. In education, the focus is K-12 tutoring in the U.S., literacy and numeracy, AI apps for sub-Saharan Africa and India, plus agriculture-specific cloud improvements using local crop datasets to boost economic mobility. With Anthropic clashing with the White House over Pentagon contracts. This major partnership in global health and education sharply repositions the company's public mission stance. Story 3, AI chip startup Cerebras. Systems began trading on the NASDAQ Global Select Market today, May 14, under ticker CBR. IPO priced at $185 per share on May 13th, well above the raised range of $150 to $160 with 30 million Class A shares, raising $5.55 billion and valuing the company at $56.43 billion. It is the largest IPO of 2026 to date, backed by multi-year deals with OpenAI and AWS, with Cerebras challenging NVIDIA's dominance through wafer-scale engine inference chips. Alongside Grok, Samba Nova, and TensorTorrent, the listing marks a historic milestone in the diversification of the AI chip ecosystem beyond NVIDIA. Story 4. U.S. AI data centers have crossed the 1 gigawatt threshold at a single facility for the first time, exposing severe strain on the power grid. xAI's Colossus 2 in Memphis currently runs at 200 to 300 megawatts, targeting 2 gigawatts with some proposed sites pushing past 5 gigawatts, exceeding the peak load of Austin, Texas. Total U.S. data center power consumption hit 176 terawatt-hours annually as of March 2026, or 4.4% of national electricity, projected to reach 130 gigawatts by 2030. The PJM grid, serving 65 million people across 13 states, forecasts a 6 gigawatt reliability shortfall by 2027, and Gartner predicts 40% of AI data centers will be power constrained, with Virginia narrowly avoiding a blackout after 9 data centers tripped offline simultaneously. Story 5. Google unveiled Gemini Intelligence at the Android show I/O Edition, beating Apple's Siri overhaul to market. Features include cross-app task automation, screen understanding, automated form filling, the Rambler tool for polishing spoken messages, and vibe-coded custom widgets via natural language. The rollout begins this summer on select Samsung and Google Pixel phones, with broader expansion in late 2026, while Google books laptops from Acer, Asus, Dell, HP, and Lenovo launching this fall mark the first notebooks purpose-built for Gemini Intelligence. Meanwhile, Apple's Siri 2.0 is delayed to 2026, with reports of a multi-year deal worth around $1 billion annually for Gemini to power Apple Foundation models, intensifying the smartphone AI assistant battle. That's all for this AI News Flash.